Hi, I'm Casey with Casey Quinn Cleaning, and today I'm going to show you how to get a permanent marker stain off the kitchen floor or off maybe tile or whatever kind of floor you might have. So I'm going to show you right now. It's running out. Okay, there we go. And I do have a towel that I wet, and it definitely, I mean, it does come out with this. It does, but there's no way that's going to come out right now. So the best thing that I found, you got to have something kind of coarse and kind of like rough so that it can. Oops, okay. So I'm using a little bit of Comet, and it comes right off. But I do suggest that if there is like a marker stain on your floors and you use Comet, you got to make sure that it's not going to hurt your floor. So you would just try a little area just to make sure that it's not going to hurt your floor. So that's about it.